What's up guys, it's James here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and professional website using WordPress and only free resources. Now in order to get your website live on the internet, you need to have a domain name and web hosting. Alright, and the cost of getting web hosting and domain name now is really high. So it now becomes a problem when you're trying to work on a budget. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a website without spending any money on getting a domain name or getting web hosting or even getting plugins and themes you need to get the website up and running. I'll be showing you how to do everything for absolutely free of charge. So you're not going to be spending a dime on getting domain name and web hosting. Now, I want to quickly show you the cost of obtaining web hosting these days from the reputable web hosting companies. So here on this tab, I have SiteGround. SiteGround is one of the best hosting companies on the internet currently. And if I scroll down to their pricing plans, you can see we have the startup plan, which ranges from $3.99 per month to the Go Geek plan, which is about $10.69 per month. So you can see that the price to get hosting these days is really high. So this is just the pricing for SiteGround. Let's quickly go to HostGator. And for the HostGator, if I come to their plans, you see their plan is ranging from $3.75 per month to $6.25 per month. Okay, now let's go to Bluehost. Bluehost is also a good hosting company, and you can see that their price is ranging from $2.95 per month to $13.95 per month for the advanced pro plan. And the last plan I have, the last web hosting company I have here is DreamHost. And if I scroll down to the packages on DreamHost, you can see we have the shared plan, the shared starter plan, which is $2.95 per month, and we also have the VPS plan, which is $13.75 per month. So you can see that the cost of getting web hosting and domain name is really high at the moment. But you don't have to worry, because in this video I'll be showing you how to get your website up and running with a free domain name, free hosting provider, and also completely free resources from your WordPress dashboard. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. And let me quickly show you the website we are going to be designing in this tutorial. So if I come here, you can see this website is for a consultancy firm. And if you come down here, you can see how very beautiful and stunning this website looks. You can see the website looks really professional and it looks beautiful. You can see everything here. This website looks great. The color and everything is looking good. So this is the exact website we are going to be designing in this tutorial. And the good thing is that this website comes with pre-made pages as well. So we have the services, we have the about us, we have the news, we have the contacts, and we have everything being linked properly. So I'll be showing you how you can get this website for free, and this website will be live on the internet without getting domain hosting or anything like that. And another good thing about this website is that the website is also very mobile responsive. So if I try to test this website on other devices like tablets and mobile phones, let me go to inspect and show you how it looks. So you can see this is how this website would look on an iPad mini. Everything looks great. You can see how responsive this website is on different devices. So this just looks great. So let me try to change this here to maybe Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and you can still see that the website looks really responsive and it looks great. So this is what we are going to be doing. Now, to get started with designing this website, we need to go to a website called pentionsite.io. So I'll just open another tab here and I'll search for pention.io. So the Pention website is now open on my browser, and you can see how the website looks. Now, in order to create a website on this platform, we need to create an account with them. Now, this particular video I'm making right now is an upgrade to the video I made on my channel 2 years ago on how to create a free website. And I now notice that a lot of my viewers commented in the comment section that they were having issues with this Pention website. And when I tried to test things out, I also noticed that the functionality on this website wasn't too good. And I got a solution to that. I installed a proxy. I installed a VPN on my browser, which helped me to access this website and get a more optimal functionality. So if I come here, you can see, if I click here, I have Windscribe proxy add-on on my browser. So to get this, just go to another tab and just search for Windscribe Chrome extension. You can see I have it here. If you're using Google Chrome, because I'm using Google Chrome obviously, and you click on this first link, free proxy and add blocker, Chrome Web Store. And then when it opens up, all you need to do is to come here and click on add to Chrome. You can see right now I already have it, and so it's showing me remove from Chrome. So if you're from a location where you're having issues accessing this Pention website, just install this Windscribe proxy, and I'm sure it's going to work. Then after installing the proxy, it should appear somewhere here. After adding it to your Google Chrome, it should appear somewhere here. So if you click here, you would see that we have this Windscribe free proxy here. You can just pin it so it will be easily accessible in this place. Now, if you've installed this proxy, click on the proxy and sign in. You need to sign in to this proxy. So you need to create an account and then you need to sign in, and the verification link will be sent to your email. So you need to go to your email and verify that link, after which you'll be given 10 gigabytes of data per month. All right, so make sure you do that, and when you do that, on the proxy, you can on it here or you can off it. Just go ahead and on it, and then I'm sure your website should work just fine. All right, so if you're having that issue, you can do that, but if you're not having that issue, you can just proceed with the video tutorial. So I'll just close this, come back to my Pention website, and now I can click on get started. Then it will bring you to this page to sign up, and here all you need to do, you can either sign up with your Google account, or you can come and type in your active Gmail or email address here to sign up. So I'll just come here and I'll put in my email address, and then I'll click on continue. So you see, it brings me here and I need to create a password. So I will just put in a strong password. All right, so when I put in my password, I click on continue. And then you see, it says you must verify your email address to complete account setup. So I need to go to my email and check if that email came through. So I'll just refresh my mail, and then you can see Pention support, verify your email. I click on it, I scroll down here and I click on verify email. And then I get a message that my email account is now verified. So I come here and I click on login with email. And then it brings me here where I need to put in my email address. So I'll just put in my email address here and click on continue. Then I need to put in my password. So I just click on continue. And then it brings me into this page, my personal workspace. So here I just need to go ahead and put in my details to finish my registration. So for the first name, I can put anything. I'll just put Blink, and here I'll just put this. And for my country, of course, I'll choose Nigeria. You can choose your country, and I'll say yes, I agree, and then I click on continue. and then I'll be brought to this space. So if you're on this space, all you need to do is to scroll down and you see start a project. So I'll just click on create new site. Then it brings me into this section, and here, what kind of site do you want to create? I'll just choose WordPress. So click on WordPress and it will load up your dashboard. As you can see, it's loading, and then it brings you to this place where you need to create your Pension website. So here you need to put in the name of your website. So here I will just put MSL consultancy. All right, and this is going to be the domain of your website. Remember, I told you in this tutorial you'll be getting a free domain name and also free web hosting. So this is the URL for your development site. So I'll just put in the site name I want. I'll scroll down here, choose the region of the site. You can choose any region. I'll just go with United States, and then when I come down, I click on continue, and as you can see, WordPress is being currently deployed on my website. So this may take a minute, I don't know, but I'm going to pause the video at this point, and when this process is completed, we can now continue from there. Alright, so WordPress has been successfully deployed on my website. You can see it's showing complete, and now I'm going to visit my site in my Pension dashboard. All right, so I come here and I click on visit your Pension site dashboard, and it will load up and open up for me. So you can see where it brings me, and all I need to do now is to click on visit development site. All right, so I just click on visit development site, and it takes me into the stage to install WordPress and configure WordPress on my site. So here I'll choose English United States. I click on continue, and then it brings me to the site title where I can write something like, the title should be Mesologic Consultancy, and the username would be Mesologic, and the password would be let me just hide it. So the password, I'll just put in a password. All right, so that's my password, and my email, I can put in my email here. Just put in any email you want, and I'll discourage search engines from indexing this site. So I can just discourage it, since, or you can leave it. All right, you can leave this search engine visibility. If you want to do that, you can just leave it, but I just like to discourage it because I'm not using this site for anything. Okay, so I now come here and click on install WordPress, and then you can see WordPress has been installed on my Pension website. So I just close this from here, and it shows me success. So all I need to do is to come here and log in. All right, so I click on login, and for the username, remember I used Mesologic, and for the password I used this password, and I click on login. So guys, right now I'm successfully logged into my WordPress dashboard. So I'll just close this from here, and from here we can now start designing our website. Now what I always like to do, I always like to sanitize my WordPress dashboard, because as you can see here, I have a lot of prompts and I don't just like how this is looking. So if you're in your WordPress dashboard, come here to screen option and uncheck all these screen elements. Just uncheck these screen elements. So I just uncheck everything, and now you can see that my dashboard has been sanitized and it's looking neat. Now in my dashboard, the next step is to install a WordPress theme. Okay, so to install a theme, I need to come to appearance and click on themes, and a theme is just basically the overall structure of your website. So you can see some of the default themes I already have in my WordPress. So I'll just click on add new, then it opens the themes repository, and now I just need to install one of these themes. So I'll just scroll down and look for Blocksy. You can see, so I locate Blocksy and I click on install, and the Blocksy theme has been installed. And now I need to click on activate, and now the Blocksy theme has been installed successfully. And if I scroll here, you can see the Blocksy theme is the active theme on our website. So after installing the Blocksy theme, you would see a prompt at the top here: thanks for installing Blocksy, you rock. So you would see we strongly recommend you to activate the Blocksy companion plugin. This way you will have access to custom extensions, demo templates, and many other awesome features. So we need to install this Blocksy companion plugin so we can have access to a lot of amazing features. So just go ahead and click on install Blocksy companion, and within just seconds it will install and be activated on your website. Alright, so the Blocksy companion plugin has been installed and activated successfully, and it brings me to this page. Alright, then you need to click on starter site, and when you click on starter site, you're going to have access to a lot of templates you can import to your website with just a single click. Alright, so here if you scroll down, you can see you have so many templates here. You can see a lot of templates for different categories. This is a consultant website, this is a furniture website, e-bike, pottery, smile dent, smart home. So you can see a lot of them, and to preview a particular template, you just need to click on preview, and you would see how the template looks before you import it into your website. So I want to import this one. So first I need to preview it, this consultant template. So I just come here and click on preview, and it will open up the site in another tab for me to show me how the website is looking. So you can see a preview of the website. This is how the website looks, and this is how everything about the website is. So I'm satisfied with this website the way it is. So I'll go back to this tab and I'll click on import, and it brings me to this section. I will select this install child theme and I click on next. I'll choose Elementor. Always make sure you choose Elementor and not Gutenberg. So choose Elementor and click next, and it brings you to this place. Click on next and next everything, click on install, and you can see that the installation process has commenced. So this may take a while, and so I will just pause this video, and when the installation is complete, I will now resume the video. Oh, I don't even think there's need to pause it because this is going really fast. So let me just wait and see how the installation would be. Alright, so the website has been successfully imported, and the template has been imported successfully. And to view it, I'll click on view site. So I just click on view site, and guys, our site is now live on the internet, and this is how our website looks. So if you copy this URL and you search it on your phone, or you send it to anyone, search it, you can see that this website is live on the internet with this domain name. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see how our website is looking. Everything is looking great. Everything on the website looks great, and everything is working properly. Okay, so that is how you should see it. And we have other pages here, like the services page, the about us page, the news, and the contact us, which you can click and you see that they are opening. So the next step now is to change the content on our website. What if you don't want this text, or you don't want this picture? You just want to come here and change the content on this website. Maybe you want to remove some sections, or you want to add some sections, or just change the overall look of your website. To do that, come here to the top and click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so just go ahead and click on edit with Elementor, and then it brings me to this place. It says your site doesn't have a default kit, so all we need to do is to go and recreate the kit. So I'll click on recreate kit, and it will take me back to my WordPress dashboard. And when it brings me to my dashboard, I'll just come to recreate kit and click on this place, and this is all I need to do. Once I've done this, I need to go back to my website and try to edit with Elementor again. So I'll come here and click on visit site, and when it opens up, I'll click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so my website has successfully been opened in my Elementor. Alright, and Elementor is a page builder that helps you to create or edit the content on your website. So now I am in my Elementor where I can start editing the content on my website. All I need to do is to close all this. Just close this and close this as well. So let me scroll. This doesn't want to close. I don't know what the issue is, but I will just minimize it. It's nothing. You don't need to bother about that. Then here you can see we have the write-up, we have the content, we have everything here. So it's just to go ahead and just change everything. You can see the whole content is here. So it's just to go ahead and change everything. Now to change something, just click on it. So I just come here and click on this heading, this text here, and you can see the title where I can change it from here: consulting solutions for your business. So here I can change it to consulting solutions for your brand. All right, you can see it's reflecting here. And for this button, I can click here, and instead of get started now, I can change it to contact us now. Contact us now. And you can see that it's showing here. And for this place, I can change this picture. You can just click here on this particular picture and change the picture if you want to. All right, I can scroll down. You can see other things here you can change. Just click on it, look at the left panel and change whatever you want to change, and everything is going to work good. All right, so this is how you do it. So if I scroll back to the top and I want to change this picture, you click on it. This picture would, to show you a preview of the picture, you click on choose image, you come to your media library and choose another picture, or you go to upload files and select the picture from your PC and add it here and then upload it. But I'll just come to my media library. I will scroll down and use this picture of this lady pointing to the left. So I'll just click on select. Alright, so now you see that I have changed this picture and I'm using a different picture now. And after making all your changes and doing everything, just come at the top right and click on publish so that your changes can be saved. All right, make sure you always come here and click on publish after making any change. So just come here and click on publish, and now you can see that my website has been published and the changes have been made. And to preview it, I will just come to this eye icon and click on preview changes, and then now you would see how your website would look. Now while this thing is processing, I just want to come to these tabs and close all these other things. Maybe all these ones, I just come here, close them. You know, close all these tabs I opened earlier. So this is how my website is showing now. In the past, my website was looking like this, and now my website is looking like this. And you can see that's a very big difference, and the whole process has been very easy and straight to the point. All right, so our website looked like this before. You can see the write-up, the default template, this is how it came, the picture, and now our website looks like this. So you can just go ahead in your Elementor and make all these changes, change this picture, add whatever you want on your website, and do everything. And once you're done, you publish it, you preview your website, and your website looks great. All right guys, so in the last step, I'll be showing you how to edit the header and footer section of your website. You know, Elementor only allows you to edit the content of your website, like this whole content on the website. Elementor allows you to edit the content on your website. You can see the content, but then for the footer, this is the footer of the website, the footer and the header. The header contains the logo and the navigation menu. For this, you can't edit it in Elementor. You need to go to the customize section and edit that. And to get to the customize section, just come to the top here and you would see customize. So just click on customize. Alright, so the customize section has now been opened, and I think something is missing. Let me reduce the size of my browser. Let me reduce the zoom. So I just reduce it, and you can see the whole interface is now showing. So this is how our website looks right now. And to change the logo, you just need to hover your mouse on the logo and click on this place. And once you do, you can see the logo that is currently on your website. And to change it, you just need to click on this pen. And once it opens up, you can just go to upload files, go to select files and upload the logo. And after uploading the logo, you just bring it to your website and it appears there. If you want to change these social media icons or you want to link them, you just click here, and you can see for Facebook, you can see it here, for Twitter, for Instagram. So you can come and get rid of this, or you can come and link them properly. Then if I scroll down to the footer section, you see we have copyright 2024 WordPress theme by Creative Teams. You can edit this content and put in your name. So I can put copyright 2024 designed, copyright 2024 designed with love by Mesologic Agency. All right, so I can just put Mesologic Agency here, and then you can see the change is reflecting here. And if I come to this place, I can change the contact here. I can change the contact. You can see the contact is here, so you just need to click on it and change it, the phone number, the email, the everything. You can just come here and change everything. If you want to change a particular thing, just click on edit, and it brings you to the section where you can just click and change everything. See the opening hours, I can click on edit, and it brings me into where I can come and change everything from here. All right, so this is how you do everything. And once you're done making your changes, you can just come here and click on publish, and your website has been published and the changes have been saved. So now anybody anywhere in the world can get your website URL, search it online, and they will see that your website is live and active. So once you're done making your changes in the customize section, all you need to do is just to close it from here. So you just need to close it from there, and it will now show you how your website would look. So the website has opened, and to get the URL for your website, you just copy it from here where it ends with io, dev-mslconsultancy.pentionsite.io. so you can just copy this part, you can see, and the website is secured. If I click here, you can see connection is secured. Your information, for example passwords or credit card number, is private when it's sent to this site, and the certificate for this site is also valid. All right, so everything on this website is working fine and everything looks great. Now if I come to Elementor and I switch this to the mobile view, you can see that everything shows great on mobile and everything is working properly on mobile phone. And if I switch it to tablet, you can also see that everything works great on tablet as well. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video tutorial, and from now on you can take a big step to set up your website to be live online, even if you don't have funds to get your domain name and web hosting. If at any point in this video you had any challenges or any query, or even if you have any suggestions for me, you can relate it with me in the comment section. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button if you got value from this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel to always get updated with my future videos, and also hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.